everyone, it is week 17 in our 52 hikes in 2019 series, and today we have an extra special hike for you. We are currently riding up the mountain on the Gatlinburg Skylift. We are headed up to the brand new Sky Park that is just opening today, and we're going to check out the SkyBridge as well as the Sky Deck. The SkyBridge is a brand new bridge they just built that spans a valley. It is the longest suspension bridge in North America. So we're really excited to check it out today. I hope you guys are too. Hope I'm not too scared. It's pretty tall. So right now we are headed up the mountain on the Skylift, and pretty soon we will arrive at our destination and we'll be able to check out all the cool new things in the Sky Park. I'm very excited about it. Thanks for coming along with us, and we'll check in with you guys soon. The Sky Park is an amazing new addition to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Opening on May 17th, 2019, the Sky Park offers fun for the whole family. The Skylift, which has been in operation since 1954, carries you up the mountain to the brand new Sky Deck. The Sky Deck has amazing views of Mount LeConte, as well as the city of Gatlinburg. If you get hungry, the Sky Deck offers a snack bar as well as a gift shop that is fully stocked with all your Gatlinburg memorabilia. Upstairs, the Sky Deck offers a selection of craft beers for the adults who want to sit back and enjoy the views with a cold beverage. And let's not forget about the #1 attraction of the new Sky Park, the SkyBridge. At 680 feet long, the SkyBridge is the longest pedestrian suspension bridge in the United States. At its highest point, it swings 180 feet above the valley below, and the 15-foot glass section in the middle is sure to offer a unique view. If you look closely from the SkyBridge, you can catch a glimpse of Clingman's Dome, the tallest mountain in Tennessee. What do you say we go check the bridge out? So unfortunately, that's all the time we have tonight, guys, but visiting the Gatlinburg Sky Park was really, really awesome. I'm glad I got to come opening day and check out all the amenities it has to offer, and this bridge is just freaking fantastic, guys. I'm really happy they built this up here. It's a great addition to an already awesome town, and I can't wait to come back and see it again. all finished up at the Sky Park. It was an absolutely awesome time. I'm so glad I got to go on opening day. We're headed back down on the Sky Lift, which I have to admit is a very cool way of transportation. I know this has been open for a long time, but this is actually my first time ever getting to ride it. I'm so happy that I got to experience the Sky Bridge today, as well as the whole Sky Park. Gatlinburg really has something going on with this park. It's really amazing, and I would highly encourage you guys to come out and check it out as soon as you get the chance. But anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and sign off. We're gonna head back to the car, and we're gonna head back onto the road to get back home. So as always, make sure to stay hiking and stay safe. See ya.